Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a little craft with me. We're going to be creating these really cute tags that I'm going to finish off. And we're going to be featuring some Rosie Studio products, okay? I'm part of Rosie Studios Creative Club. And so I picked out just a few things for Christmas. You guys have already seen a couple videos on this beauty here. I'm obsessed with this stamp. You're probably tired of seeing me play with this, but I love this stamp. The sentiments are beautiful. You know I love the bow. You can create these cute little cards. And this stamp set is only $2 and some change, you guys. I hope that you guys snatched them. There seems to be a lot available on the site, okay? So rosiestudio.com. I'll have a playlist listed down below. And everything is really inexpensive, okay? We're also going to be featuring these gemstones. Guys, Rosie Studio has some of the most beautifulest gemstones. Look at how gorgeous these are. These right here are glittered with gold. These have like a pearl finish, a pearl glitter finish, and pink, mint, and this really pretty green. And then these right here, they're kind of, I can't even describe these, but they look like a stone, a really beautiful stone. Purple, green, and this like really like muted green, and the gold glitter ones, okay? So I don't know if you noticed, but they are from different collections. So I think each collection, maybe not every collection that they have, but a lot of the collections have a pair of stones that go with them. So this is the Born to Bloom. This is the Softly Spoken. I just kind of grabbed a couple, and these were my two faves. So these are the ones that I picked. And so we're going to use these to further embellish our wreath tags. All right, so let me show you guys what I did. We're going to create this little tag here, and I'm going to show you guys my technique. All right, so you're going to get your oxides, or you can use some sprays if you have some. You're going to need some water and then some like paper. I don't think I have a full sheet of white paper available at the moment, but I'm going to use this little scrap, so I really don't need to make much of this. So what you're going to do is, this is better to do this on a glass board if you have one, but I'm just going to use this and hope that it doesn't, you know, mess up. I'm going to put a little bit of my oxide. I'm using spun sugar and Kish Flamingo, my two faves. And that's even too much, but that's all right. And then you're just going to get some water. We're going to spritz this. Okay. And you are going to take some paper, whatever color you like. I think white works best, because with the whites, I'm still trying to see if I have a bigger scrap, guys. Yeah, I don't think I do. You can really see the colors with the white, but you can also use pink, whatever you want. All right, so then you're going to take your scrap paper, and you are just going to dip that in that ink. Okay, we're going for a watercolor effect. So just pretend that this is a bigger paper, and you can let this air dry. This is the effect that we want, this watercolor. This looks a little bit too light, so I actually want to go with, let's do it, let's hit it again. Let's hit it again. So let me clean this up. Your glass boards are going to come in handy with this. They're going to be perfect. All right, let's just go with the Kish Flamingo, since I already got a light base. And I'm just going to do a light burst of water. I got to put a little more because I don't want it to be hard. I want this soft look. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of concentrate this into the spots that I want darker. You could even go with red. You can do whatever color combination you like. Let me clean this up. And then I'm going to get my gold spray. Now with these sprays, you want to make sure that you always shake them up really well, because everything seeps to the bottom. And then we are just going to hit it with some gold splatters. You can do white splatters. Guys, just try different color combinations. All right, that's perfect. And I'm gonna let that dry. So let's put that to the side. Look at how beautiful, you guys. And I'll show you how it dries. Let's wipe this up. So it works fine on these mats as well, but I think the glass mats work best. All right, let me dry that off. And let me show you guys what these papers look like. So here's one that I did, and I just took that sentiment. I used every single one of these sentiments here, guys. So we have Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, Peace, Love, Joy, Happy Holidays, and Christmas Wishes. Again, this stamp is only $2 and some change, guys. I went in with the Kish Flamingo, and I just stamped. You can do embossing, whatever your heart desires. So once you stamp that, your paper is dry and you stamp it. We're just gonna simply cut these out. Let's do the Season's Greetings. Okay. Of course I cut that crazy. And I'm gonna make a little fishtail. We're gonna create our own little banners. All right, let's use these tiny scissors. So to create our fishtail, we're just gonna go in and then go from the corner in, okay? That's all you're gonna do to create your fishtail. Same thing on the other side. You can make these as wide or as thin as you like. I think I might have to trim this a little more because it's too thick. I think it's too wide. Let's use these bigger scissors and cut a little bit thinner. I think I should leave that one. Yeah. I'm gonna trim a tiny bit. Hope I don't cut the G. All right, cool. All right, so there goes our banner. Now let's go ahead and grab our tag. So I glued this one earlier. This is a die that's in my stash. And I cut 2 of them out. So let's layer these. Okay. And then we're gonna offset this somehow. I think that's cool. And I'm just gonna press that down. And then let's take our Season's Greetings. And I'm just gonna get something like a pen or anything. And I'm gonna roll it here and then under like this. Okay. So I want it to go like this. I hope that makes sense. I'm just gonna curve it like so, okay? I love that. And we're gonna get some foam tape. And I'm gonna put that foam tape right here on the curves for even more dimension. And guys, you can go to town embellishing these. I think the sentiment is so pretty, guys. This is exactly why I picked out the stamp set, because I just love the font. Such a cute stamp set. Guys, let me know if you snatched this. Only one person told me that they grabbed one. I know you guys, more than one person grabbed the stamp set. You had to. Come on, $2 and some change. So we're gonna go ahead and put that sentiment about here. And I'm gonna add one of my bows. I think I only have this little tiny one. It's not giving like the double one, right? The double one gives every time, you guys. I think I ran out. I'm thinking about selling some of these double looped bows. So if you guys are interested, please let me know. And then guys, don't forget in my last Rosie Studio video, we created these, okay? So I will link the playlist so you guys can check out my projects so far. But these are the products that I created using the same stamp set and some other things, okay? All right, so double bowl, let me grab one. We'll go with this one, I guess.
Come on with it.
All right. Let's get her together. All right. And let's glue her on top. This die set does come with a bow die, but I feel like this bow, it just gives more. All right, look at how pretty those are. So pretty. You can even do that watercolor technique or even just spritz your sprays on the back of this, since it's just solid cardstock, regular cardstock. And then let's use our gemmies. I feel like I need to use the gold ones, guys. So we're just gonna use a few of these to further embellish our beautiful wreath tags. Okay. And you can fluff these up to give it dimension, but I love the dimension you get with these little sentiment banners. Okay, one more. Oh, I don't know. I think I should have used pink. I feel like I always use pink though. Okay, it doesn't take much. Let's move this down a little bit. I'm not loving the placement. My bow's covering this one. There we go. Isn't that pretty, you guys? I love it. All right, let's do this one. And I can't find my white and pink twine, but since this tag has such a tiny hole, I want to put some twine in there. All right. Do I want to do the pink with this one? Let's do the pink. Hopefully it's not too soft of a pink. These gems are gorgeous, guys. So I encourage you to go to rosiestudio.com. Check out their gemstones. Type in the word gemstones and you will see every one they have. Beautiful gemstones, guys. You will not regret it. Their shipping, you usually get your order within a week. Put that one there. So I'm offsetting a big one and a small one, and then doing the opposite. How beautiful are these tags, you guys? They're gorgeous. I also have the stickers. Let me share them with you all. I wanted to use them to embellish these, but I decided not to and go this route. So I have the Sprinkle with Cheers Puffy Stickers, and this is a really pretty collection if you're looking for a Christmas collection with some traditional and pinks. And then this one is the All Wrapped Up Puffies. I kind of want to add something, but it's like a muted pink. I kind of want to stick with what I have, guys. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple and really beautiful tags that you can create. And look at how that sentiment just kind of brings everything together. Guys, I feel like it's missing something. Maybe we can do the snowflakes. I don't know. I feel like they'll take away. But that's it for this video, guys. I'm going to stop right here. If I make any changes, I will post on my Instagram or my TikTok. I will post a reel on how these came out. But I hope you guys, again, enjoyed this craft with me. Check out rosiestudio.com. If you have any questions, leave it down below. And I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.